I'm Ann, and we're back at the 2009 Elkay Innovation event. I'm here with Mark, who's going to share a few more exciting details about the gourmet shelf introductions for this year. Mark?
Thank you, Ann. With this model, we have a double compartment gourmet work shelf sink, but with one larger compartment than the other, which is available either as the right or on the left. And the smart support system for the work shelf is in the larger compartment. On the work shelf itself, easy to remove, and then we have the smart support system, which doesn't compromise the size of the bowl capacity. It makes it easy to install or remove the work shelf itself. To learn more information on the Elkay Gourmet Work Shelf product line, visit one of our Diamond Design showrooms or visit elkayusa.com, keyword gourmet.